Well, you get a sort of rough drawing of some of the characters, and then you pick. And I immediately thought I want to go for dragon because I want a dragon. To be quite clumsy, a little bit bashful,
Yeah.
quite windy as well. And what's great is they're so brilliant, the costume people and the special effects people, that when somebody like me comes along and goes, would you mind putting a pipe in so that I can belch smoke and also do a little fart? They go, sure.
Yeah.
And it's done. So I wanted Dragon to, I wanted to create a character that the kids really loved and the adults couldn't figure out. And I hope I achieved that.
Oh, you